So what we're trying to do today is put the rat trap for the comfort flat seat on this Harley-Davidson, and the only way that a guy can do that is to put these 5-inch bolts down there, so that, because you can't reach under there with your hand. The only way to reach it is with a piece of wire, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty easy. You take a piece of wire and you wrap it around the nut 2 times like that, and then it's kind of simple. You kind of like take the JB weld and kind of smear some JB weld on there, and that'll hold the nut from falling out. So now that I got tits on here, I got the bolt started with my piece of wire that I had taped the gun on there to that. Well, I showed you with the JB weld. Now I got to grab that locking nut with this here pliers, and then turn it tight with the ratchet wrench. It really didn't take too long. The longest part that it took was for when the JB glue, well, it had to dry, which was what was the hardest part, was waiting. But I cutted it right before it got dried too hot, and that way I could get the wire off of there without no problems. Oh, okay, now the locking nut. Is it still not on? They're all the way, is it? Just about. She's coming. Yeah. Now, the locking nut is on there. So now I got to show you how it is done. You pull up the 5-inch stud with the lock wash underneath it, and hopefully you extended the threads on it enough that would prevent the bolt from going back down onto the rat trap like that. Okay, now get your ratchet and put it here on top of the 5-inch bolt. Hold it still, and then tighten down from tips side and That way you can get it to the right amount of torque specifications. I would suggest about 25, 35 foot-pounds of torque on it like that. And then after that's tight right there, you don't even need to use this wrench. Just there. Don't tighten it up all the way. We still got to put in this one on the other side. So then we're going to take, when that's all done, all we got to do now is take the hackberry saw and cut it off like that. Okay, and then you'll have your Comfort Flex saddle. This knife is $69 plus shipping at BMI Karting. Google that. Bye now.